First, we untie the line on the wing. After untying, connect the two ailerons using the Y-line. Then we need to glue the wing cover to the wing. Glue the wing cover. And also on the wing's contact surface. Place the line. Then align it with the slot and press it firmly. It's done! These are the tips of our wings on both sides. And stick them on both sides of the wing respectively. We're now applying adhesive to the wingtip foam. And also glue the side contact surface of the wing. Glue the wingtip onto it. Apply glue to the other wingtip as well. For this kind of foam to foam, both sides of the foam must be glued, so that it will be firmly bonded. You can smooth the glue a little. Glue the wingtip onto it. Squeeze and stick tightly. The entire wing is installed. Now I will install the rudder. Just put the glue part of the rudder into the slot on the rudder surface. Then fix it with screws. Use adhesive to secure the flat tail and the fuselage. Let's first observe the approximate location of the fixed horizontal tail. Then apply glue to the foam. Glue both sides of the foam. Then we put this side up. Align it with the slot and push it in. Press it in place. Glue the vertical tail. Apply some glue to the fuselage. Align the rudder with the slot and press it down. When installing, the horizontal and vertical alignment of the tail with the fuselage. This should be adjusted properly. Otherwise, it will affect the subsequent flight effect. The horizontal and vertical tails are installed. First, observe the length of the pull rod. to adjust the length of the pull rod. After adjusting to the appropriate length, insert the steel wire into the pivot armhole of the steering mechanism. Place the back plate. Align the rudder angle with the back panel. Fix it with 2 screws. Apply glue around the servo. Apply glue to the rudder shield. Cover the servo with the servo shield, securely fastened. Flap actuator. Install a cover panel for it as well. Apply glue to all 4 sides as well. Glue the baffle as well. Align and stick it. Now let's install the wings. First, insert the Y-line of the aileron into the slot in the cockpit. Then open the cockpit cover. Take the Y-line out from the hole. Secure the wing. Just press it in place. Fix the wing with 4 screws. In this way, our wing is fixed. First, open the fairing. Remove the nut and washer on the propeller base. Fixed fairing base. Install the propeller. Install the gasket and nut. You can use pliers to reinforce it. Then install the propeller cover. Tighten the screws to fix it. Just stick it according to the instructions. The plane is assembled here. I'll demonstrate the wiring with a MISR 66A. One channel connects to the aileron line. The second channel connects to the elevator line. The third channel connects to the throttle line. Fourth channel connects to the direction line. The wiring of Haifeng is relatively simple. Just connect all 4 wires. Then, we fix the receiver next to it with 3 meters of glue. Tidy up the wires. We connect the battery and turn it on. After power on, press the bind button for more than 2 seconds. Frequency matching. The frequency has already been set here. Cover the cockpit. Aileron testing. Horizontal tail testing. Vertical tail testing. Motor testing. The assembly, wiring, and testing of the entire aircraft have now been completed.